Alright, today I'm reviewing the Paula's Choice Calm Redness Relief Serum. And really quick, I just want to say, purchase all these products with my own money, so you know you can trust my opinion is what I honestly believe. And if you want to help support the channel, click on the Amazon link below before you make your purchase. So this is a product in one of the lines of Paula's Choice. And this is the full size, which is an ounce, and it sells for $34. And Paula's Choice has kind of groups of skincare. She's got the anti-aging ones. She's got the anti-acne ones. She's got the dry skin line. She's got the Calm Redness line, and this is out of that line. And she also has like a natural organic line. And most of the stuff I get is in the anti-aging and dry skin line. And this one was just one that I saw one day and thought I should give this one a try because naturally I get some redness. I do a lot of the Tria anti-aging laser and what's the other one? The Illuminage laser. And after that, my skin gets pretty red and pretty dry. It can be... Those lasers are kind of meant to temporarily injure your skin so collagen grows back, and that helps with the aging process. But it can definitely leave my skin feeling very, very dry immediately after, and this is my best friend for that. I apply it immediately after I'm finished with those, and this helps almost instantly. It's got a lot of good skin repairing ingredients. It's got a lot of ceramides, which are very good for your skin and skin cells. And I love that Paula's Choice is fragrance-free, and all of her products are packaged in a way that keeps the ingredients from degrading over time. And this is just a very light serum, and I just apply it to my face right after the lasers. It absorbs pretty quickly. If you're using this with a full skincare routine, you're going to want to apply this after a toner and after any liquid exfoliants you use. But after the laser, I just go with this right away. It's got a lot of good ingredients in it. The third ingredient is hyaluronic acid, which is good for your skin, skin moisturizing. It's got a lot of ceramides in it. She's got licorice root, which is very good for soothing irritated red skin. Yeah, so she's got a lot of good things. Feverfew extract. She's definitely got a lot of good things packed into this. So definitely if you have oily or dry skin, this absorbs so quickly that you're not going to have any issues if you have either skin type. And this is for all skin types. Just if you have redness or any irritation. Definitely if you do some lasers or any thick exfoliators, definitely go with this afterwards because it definitely helps your skin kind of soothe it and get it back so it's feeling better. So definitely an awesome product from Paula's Choice that I love and use it pretty much every day. So anyway, for me, I'm going to give this 2 thumbs up, and I'm interested if you guys have had a chance to try this out yet or not, or if you've tried any other products from the Paula's Choice line. What have you tried and how have you liked it? So far, almost everything I've tried from that line I love. So there's just 1 or 2 things I don't absolutely love, but for the most part, everything I just love from her line. So anyway, leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. Feel free to subscribe. I come with at least 1 new review every day. And check out nobsbeauty.net. I'm adding new content to it daily. Thank you so much, guys.